this video we're going to look at the division law for indices. Previously we looked at the multiplication law for indices, where we realized that when you multiply these together you would add the powers. When you divide then, you subtract the powers. So a to the power 6 divided by a to the power 3 equals a to the power 3, because 6 subtract 3 is 3. A really common wrong answer for this question is a to the power 2, because people actually divide the powers rather than subtract them and do 6 divided by 3 to get 2, but it's not, it's a subtraction. So a similar thing on this next question, apart from we have coefficients. We have a 20 and a 5. So we actually divide these. 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. And then we use the division law with the indices, so b to the 7 divided by b squared. 7 take away 2 is 5, so it's 4b to the power 5. This last question is just another way of writing a divide sign. So we have a fraction here, but that's just like a divide. So we carry on like we would with this previous question, it's just written slightly differently. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then we use the indices division law, so x to the 7 divided by x to the 3 is x to the 4, because 7 take 3 is 4. And then on the y's we have y squared divided by y to the 5, so 2 subtract 5 is negative 3. Here are some questions for you to try yourself. Press pause and have a go at those, and then press play and I will take you through the answers. Okay, here are the answers then. For the first question, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and then x to the 7 divided by x squared is x to the 5. For this next one, 15 divided by 5 is 3, and then y to the 9 divided by y cubed is y to the 6. And then we have 11a squared, and then 2b to the 8, remembering that b here is just b to the power 1. This one's slightly different because we have a negative sign at the front. That just means we end up with a negative in our answer, but it comes out as 4c to the power 3. And this one here we have 2, because 10 divided by 5 is 2, x cubed. And this one here 5, x to the 4, again remembering there's a power 1 here that we haven't written, y to the power 6. This one here 6, a to the negative 6, and finally 5b. And this one you have to be a bit careful because it's negative 2 subtract 7, which is negative 9. And that's your video on division law for indices.